Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Dusky Mermaid. My name is Vanshi Singh and I just woke up in the morning and the weather is so good outside, so I'm just out about in the garden to see, and I think it might snow very soon. I hope you can hear me. So the one thing that I'm noticing today that my sleep pattern has been really affected these days, and I'm really getting these dark circles that I never had in my life. For some reason, these are like dark circles. This is puffiness, you can see. So I got a new product from India and it is from the Derma Co. It's called 5% caffeine under eye serum. So I'm going to use that and then I'll show you that how it works on me. I've been using it for like few weeks and it actually really helps me to look fresh in the morning, to get rid of the under eye circles. So yeah, I'll go inside now. I think you have seen such a nice weather today. So I'm going inside, I'm going to apply my under eye serum, and yeah, then we'll come back again and I'll show you how even you can get rid of early morning, or maybe those days when you have been awake till night and then next day you have dark circles, you have stress and also the puffiness, and get rid of that puffiness with that one serum. So let's go inside and check that out. So here I am in my room and this is the product that I was talking about. I hope you can see this. So this product is called the Derma Co 5% caffeine under eye serum for dark circles and puffiness. Now let's talk about the ingredients. The hero ingredients are retinol, liposystem, peptide, hyaluronic acid, and as it's written 5% caffeine. So 5% caffeine. So caffeine is like a very potent ingredient and this contains 5% caffeine. And when I was reading the description of the product, whenever I purchase something, I first read the description of the product. So it was written that the amount of caffeine present in this one serum is present in 1.8 kilograms of coffee. Wow, that's amazing. And also it contains retinol. Retinol increases the cell turnover, so it helps in renew the skin cells, and it helps in getting more brighter, new, fresh skin. And peptide tightens the skin, it nourishes the skin. And hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin. So under eye puffiness, there can be like the extra blood clogs up here. So this blood along with puffiness also creates shadows that look like dark circles, clogging of blood and creation of shadows under the eyes. So we have to get rid of them with this serum. So right now I have a lot of puffy eyes and great shadows because my sleep pattern is completely ruined. Now let's talk about the packaging of this product. It comes in a pump dispenser. I'm so happy that this serum is in pump dispenser. Pump packages really help me get the correct amount, and you just need a little amount. I'll show you how the texture looks like. It's transparent and very, very smooth, and that's all amount you need. And how to use it: just massage the serum under eyes. Please do not get the product inside your eyes. Don't get too excited and get the product inside the eyes. Don't do that. With my index finger, I'll gently massage the product around my eyes. And using the ring finger, I'm gonna tap it. Why I'm using my ring finger? Because ring finger are the weakest fingers, so when you tap it, you have to be extra careful with whatever you apply under your eye and the pressure that you use under your eye. If you like tug the skin, pull the skin, be very harsh here, there will be fine lines, there will be more puffiness, and it will do more damage than any good. So it's better if you be very gentle with your under eye area. Slowly massaging it under my eyes, and that's it. and there are instant results. The puffiness, it's going away. And obviously dark circles are no joke. You cannot be like, oh, I just used this product once and I'm expecting that my dark circles will be vanished. No, that won't happen. You have to be very consistent with this product, and you can apply it during day and night. So before I go to sleep, I also use this so that when I wake up with fresh eyes. And you know, sometimes I do forgot to apply and then next day I get dark circles and puffy eyes. But when you use this before sleeping, you'll wake up with much fresh eyes. And yes, sometimes it happens when I skip my product, but yeah, never again, because I can see what happens to my eyes if I sleep late and I don't use anything. Even my throat is very, can I apply it on my throat? No. And yeah, although it's a very safe product and it says that it's sulfate and paraben free, dye and mineral oil free, and as we know, Derma Co products list all their active ingredients on the packaging itself, so you don't have anything to worry about. But still, I'll say before using any new product, especially this product is for under eye area that's very sensitive, please do a patch test first. And yeah, that's all I have to say about the product. It actually works. It really works. The puffiness is gone. I'm so happy with this, and my eyes feel so fresh. And slowly, when you start using this product daily, it will get rid of all the stress around the eyes, puffiness and dark circles. So yeah, it's a very versatile product for those who are looking for something that can get rid of the under eye circles and puffiness. And yeah, I think that's all about the serum. I hope you like this video. And if you want to purchase this serum, all the purchase links are in description box. And you can also check their official website. It's www.thedermaco.com. And if you want 20% off on your purchase, use my code DUSKY20. So the code is applicable on their official website, that is www.thedermaco.com. And when you are purchasing during checkout, if you use this code, you'll get 20% off. That will save you some money. I hope everything is clear now, and if you still have any confusion, please comment down below and I'll try my best to respond as soon as possible. And yeah, please, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please share this video with your friends. You might help a friend out. And please hit the notification bell icon. It's adjacent to the subscribe button, and you will be notified whenever I post a video. So I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye bye.